Today, we're exploring one of the most talked about drones expected to launch soon, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The drone world is buzzing with excitement as leaks and insider info give us a glimpse of what could be DJI's most advanced lightweight drone yet. From a rumored 1-inch camera sensor to LiDAR-powered obstacle detection, longer battery life, and serious upgrades in imaging, the Mini 5 Pro might just redefine what's possible in a sub-250 g drone. Mini Series Legacy Plus Release. DJI's Mini Series has earned a reputation for balancing portability with impressive capabilities, making it a top pick for everyone from beginners to pro-level content creators. Now, as we approach the 5th generation, all signs point to a significant leap forward in both design and performance. While DJI hasn't officially revealed the launch date yet, trusted sources suggest a release window between July and September, with mid-August emerging as a strong possibility based on DJI's usual product cycles, design leaks, and LiDAR. Tech-leaked images surfacing across various forums show off a slightly refined design, with 2 prominent black sensor windows on the front believed to house LiDAR technology. This would mark a major innovation over traditional, infrared-based systems used in previous Mini models. Unlike DJI's Air 3 or Avatar, where sensors are neatly tucked behind a shared panel, the Mini 5 Pro opts for a split design that likely supports DJI's signature 60-degree and upward gimbal tilt, a favorite among drone fans. If confirmed, this would be the first Mini drone to feature true LiDAR, offering enhanced obstacle detection, better low-light navigation, and smarter flight autonomy, even in environments where GPS signals are weak or unavailable. Camera and imaging breakthroughs. Another major highlight is the Mini 5 Pro's camera. Leaked photos reveal a larger lens housing, suggesting DJI may include a 1-inch CMOS sensor similar to what's found on higher-end drones like the Air 3. Here's what this could mean for aerial creators. Up to 50mm still photos, 4K video recording at 120 FPS. Perfect for slow-motion content, superior low-light performance with reduced noise, greater dynamic range for more cinematic footage, if accurate. This would make the Mini 5 Pro the first ultralight drone with truly pro-level imaging without crossing the 250 G threshold. Vertical video and gimbal enhancements. One feature rumored to be included is native vertical video capture, not just a cropped version from horizontal footage. This would be a huge benefit for creators making content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. DJI appears to have removed the side-mounted protective frame from the previous model, likely to reduce weight and improve airflow, while giving the gimbal greater freedom of movement. Motors, performance, and flight stability. Another design evolution is the Mini 5 Pro's larger motors, with visible ventilation slits. This change could mean better heat management, more efficient flight in windy conditions, quieter operation due to refined motor tuning, smoother handling during fast or complex movements. These changes would allow for more reliable video capture even in challenging environments. Battery and flight time upgrades. Battery life is another area where DJI may be stepping up. Previous models offered up to 45 minutes using an extended battery, but the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to offer 45 minutes on its standard battery, with the extended version potentially exceeding 50 minutes of flight time. This is a game changer for drone users who need more time in the air without the hassle of constantly swapping batteries. AI features and intelligent flight modes. Of course, DJI is expected to pack in its usual suite of AI-powered flight modes, likely upgraded for better performance thanks to LiDAR and smarter sensors. These may include Focus Track for subject tracking, Master Shots for automated cinematic sequences, Waypoint Navigation Hyperlapse, Smart Return to Home. With improved obstacle avoidance with these tools, the Mini 5 Pro could handle urban flights, forest, missions, or even indoor mapping with ease. A milestone for the Mini series. Reaching its 5th generation is a big milestone. No other DJI drone series except maybe the Phantom has evolved this far. The Mini series has grown from an entry-level option to a serious platform that meets the needs of professional creators. Whether you're just starting or looking for a reliable secondary drone, the Mini 5 Pro might be the most versatile option on the market. Expected pricing. While pricing hasn't been officially announced based on DJI's past trends, here's what we might expect. Base version, around $850 USD. Fly more. Combo, roughly $199 USD. This positions the Mini 5 Pro between the current Mini 4 Pro and the more advanced Air 3, offering a strong balance of performance and portability. Final thoughts: if even half the rumors are true, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could completely change the game for lightweight drones. From LiDAR-based sensing to high-end imaging, longer flight times, and advanced AI flight modes, this drone might be the perfect tool for creators in 2025. For anyone who values performance but doesn't want to carry bulky gear, this drone could be a dream come true. If you're excited about the Mini 5 Pro, be sure to like this video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for all the latest drone news, reviews, and comparisons.